Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how we can use Loom for pre-recorded videos. So if you would like to send instructional videos or lesson videos to your class or to your students, there is a wide selection of free video recording applications. We have Screencast-O-Matic, Screencast-ify, but one of the most popular is Loom, and with good reason. Ang interface ng Loom is very straightforward and can be mastered with minimal effort. The basic version of Loom is available on their homepage and it comes free for anyone to use. The basic version of Loom is available on their homepage. So the first thing that we need to do is to add or install the application. Now you could search Loom in the search engine, or you could type in loom.com/download. Again, that's loom.com/download. As you can see here, we have two options. We can download the desktop app. Let me show you how to download Loom as a Chrome extension. So all we need to do is to click Install Extension. So as you can see here, we will be directed to the Chrome Web Store. And all we need to do is to click Add to Chrome. So there will be a dialog box asking you if you would like to add Loom for Chrome. And if we would like to add Loom for Chrome, we just need to click Add Extension. So we're all set. I already added Loom as my Chrome extension and I was automatically directed to this tab or to this site. So there are times na lalabas ka agad yung extension dito sa ating bar. However, since marami na akong na-add na Chrome extensions, lahat ng extensions na na-add ko can be seen here. So all I need to do is to click here and there you go. Nandito na yung extension ko na Loom for Chrome. So if I want it to appear on my tab, I just need to pin it. And nandito na siya sa tab. Now this is how your Loom library will look like. Now what if we choose to add it as a desktop application? Alright, so this time, try naman natin i-add yung desktop application ng Loom. So let's click Install App. And as you can see here sa baba, dina-download na natin yung Loom setup. Okay, so while we're waiting for the installation, you're probably wondering what's the difference between the two. Just to be clear, hindi naman natin kailangan i-download siya as an extension and a desktop app. Mamimili lang tayo kung gusto natin siyang i-add as Chrome extension or desktop application. Now, kung usually naman ang ginagamit mo ay, let's say, Google Slides, or what you would like to record is within your browser, then you could go for adding it as a Chrome extension. But if what you're using is a PowerPoint presentation or Keynote presentation, then mas maganda na ang i-download natin is desktop application for Windows. So once Loom setup is added to your computer, all you need to do is to install it, just like a usual or a normal application that you have downloaded for your laptop. And normally, you will be having this shortcut key for Loom. Okay? So there are really no disadvantages when it comes to using Google Chrome extension or the desktop application. It primarily comes down to personal taste. But in either case, you can easily record the videos. Okay, so now we have added the Loom desktop application. Let's click it here. Okay, so kapag na-click na natin yung shortcut key for Loom, ito na yung lalabas. So here we have three options. We could use screen and cam, kung saan makaka-capture kung ano yung nasa screen mo. Let's say you have a PowerPoint presentation and makaka-capture din ikaw habang nag-discuss ka nung topic or lesson mo. Kapag pinili natin yung screen only, it only allows you to record the content of your screen. And the last option that we have is cam only. Pwede natin siyang palakihan, ayan, and pwede natin galawin or i-move kung saan natin gustong ilagay ang sarili natin. The full screen talaga, dahil cam only lang naman yung pinili natin at talagang gusto natin, tayo lang yung makikita sa video, we could click this one. Ayan. So, we could adjust the sizes here. Okay, so dito naman, pwede nating i-adjust yung camera and microphone that we're going to use. So, ang default niya is ginagamit niya yung camera and microphone ng laptop ko. But if you're using another webcam or if you're using another microphone which is better, then you could adjust it here. So, in my case, pwede ko gamitin yung Droid Cam ko. I do have a tutorial on how we could use our Android phones as our webcam or camera. Ayan. And we could also adjust our microphone here. So, depende na sa inyo kung ano yung gagamitin ninyo. Alright, so before we start recording, I think it's very important to mention na isa sa kagandahan ng Loom is that it allows you to record your videos without any time limit. Kasi diba sa ibang recording applications, usually yung basic or yung free version nila is hanggang 15 minutes lang. Pero sa Loom, it allows you to record your videos, okay, nang walang time limit. But let's say for example, it has been 2 hours at nag-record ka pa, you will receive prompts from Loom to ensure you didn't accidentally keep recording. But they won't stop you from recording. It's only for them to check kung talagang intentionally ganun kahaba yung videos mo or yung recordings mo. Okay, so for example, you're all set. Nandito na yung PowerPoint presentation mo and ang gagamitin natin is screen and cam para naman nakikita ka pa rin ng estudyante mo habang nag-discuss ka ng PowerPoint presentation. Now, as you can see here, kapag magre-record tayo na kasama yung screen or screen only, meron tayong tatlong options: full screen, window, and custom size. Kapag sinabi natin full screen, it records everything that is on your monitor or your screen. So people can see every mouse click and follow along on their own computers. Pero if you're trying to create a more limited tutorial that cuts out any distractions, halimbawa PowerPoint presentation lang yung gusto mo makita, then you could use the window option to make a recording of a single computer application. Okay, so let's check kung paano gagana kapag window. So let's select app and then lalabas lahat ng applications or windows na naka-open sa laptop mo. And then you just have to simply click on the application that you are going to use in your video. Now, we also have the last option, which is custom size. Yun nga lang, yung custom size is only available to users who have upgraded to a pro account. And it allows them to create custom windows to record specific portions of their computer screen. And again, you can choose to make use of your device's built-in webcam and microphone to record your Loom videos, or you can select external devices as needed or desired. Now, once you're ready for your recording, then we just have to click Start Recording. Okay? Okay, so this is how it looks like kapag nag-start na tayo ng recording at ganito rin yung magiging output ng video natin. So again, ang pinili natin is a combination of cam and screen. Now, para makita yung video control menu natin, we have to drag our mouse here at makikita nyo na meron tayong square na color red. Color red siya, that means to say that we are currently recording. Pag click natin siya, that will stop our recording. Okay? It will totally end our recording session. Below it, we have the restart button. Next, meron din tayong pause button at meron din tayong cancel or delete button, which is represented by a trash bin. So, meron tayong mga shortcut keys na ilalagay ko din dito para hindi nyo na kailangang i-drag pa yung mouse nyo at pwede naman na ang gamitin nyo na lang ay shortcut keys. Na meron din tayo sa baba dito na drawing pen. Yun nga lang, yung drawing pen is also exclusive for those who have upgraded to the Pro version. So, hindi natin siya magagamit. Pero, this is being used kapag halimbawa gusto nyo mag-draw or highlight some words or ideas in your presentation. Okay? Now, if you're done recording your video, just click Stop Recording. Ayan. So, kapag nag-stop recording ka na, automatically madadirect ka sa page na ito. Ang default na title ng ating video ay yung date kung kailan natin siya produce. So, pwede natin siyang palitan. Just click the title and rename it. For example, diction. Or for example, lesson 1. So, as simple as that. So, kung makikita nyo dito, meron tayong mga options. This one, it means to say that you could download the video. You could download it and save it in your laptop. So, pwedeng nakasave na siya sa laptop nyo and then isasend nyo na lang siya, let's say, sa Google Classroom or sa Messenger nyo or sa GC ng mga bata. Then, we have duplicate video. Meron din tayong delete video. At meron din tayong share button kung saan pwede tayong mag-copy ng link. Now, we could also copy the link here, dito sa taas. Ayan. And just like I've said, you could easily send this out in your Google Classroom or in any platforms that you're using. Now, meron din tayong option dito for privacy. So, link sharing kasi, it means to say that only people with the link can see your video. But you have the option to add password. Para pag send ng link, before they can open the video, they have to type in the password. Or pwede nyo siyang i-public, which is actually a good way to reach a bigger audience. Kasi mag-a-appear siya sa Google search. Now, kapag sinend nyo yung video nyo by copying the link, pag inopen to ng mga bata, they will be directed to this page as well. So, meron tayo ditong settings. Let's click the settings. Now here, meron tayong comments. Kapag na-direct ang bata dito sa page na to, they can add comments. Dito siya sa portion na ito. So they can type in any comments and post it here. So if you don't want the students to write any comments, then you could disable this function. Now, meron din tayong comment email notifications para na-notify ka every time na may nagko-comment sa video mo. And then, meron din tayong emoji reactions. So, yan. Pwede mag-react yung mga bata sa videos mo using the emojis. Meron din tayong animated thumbnail. Meron din tayong option where the viewer can download the video. And meron din tayong show analytics to viewer. So, kung hindi nyo gusto yung ibang applications, you could easily disable it. Let's say, for example, ayoko na ma-download ng mga bata yung videos ko at ayoko makita nila yung analytics. So, kapag okay na yung settings na yan, isa-save lang natin siya. Ayan. And then, pwede din tayo mag-trim. Let's say, for example, gusto nating mag-cut ng parts sa videos natin na ayaw na nating isama or include, pwede natin siyang gawin by trimming it. Okay, so for example, yung first part, gusto mo siya tanggalin kasi hindi ka pa ready, hindi mo pa na-slideshow yung presentation or may ilang seconds of dead air, then pwede mo siyang i-trim or i-cut. And halimbawa, napili ko na yung section na gusto kong i-cut or i-remove, I just have to simply click remove. Ayan. And I could publish the changes. So, ano nga ba yung mga advantages ng Loom? For me, number one, it's good kasi it's for free. Wala kang ibang kailangang bayaran as long as may internet connection ka. Number two, wala siyang watermark. So, walang nakalagay na pangalan ng Loom sa video presentation mo. Number three, wala siyang time limit. Walang duration. Kahit pa sabihin natin that what we're using is the basic or the free version. And by the way, ang kagandahan din ng Loom is that as a response to COVID-19 pandemic, they made this free for teachers and students. So, wala tayong kailangang bayaran to continue using the basic version. Some of you might download a trial kit version of the application. Actually, that's what happened to me. And then, I received an email from Loom saying na tapos na yung trial version ko. And right now, I'm still using Loom, even though the trial version has elapsed. Kasi nga, yung trial version, that is for the pro account. Now, what I'm using is the basic version and I can still continue using it kasi nga, it's for free. And lastly, napakasimple lang din niyang gamitin. Walang masyadong technicalities. After producing the video, you could simply send it to your students. So that's Loom and I hope may natutunan po kayo sa video na to. Thank you so much for watching.